Windows 10 is a personal computer operating system developed and released by Microsoft as part of the Windows NT family of operating systems. It was officially unveiled in September 2014 following a brief demo at Build 2014. The first version of the operating system entered a public beta testing process in October 2014, leading up to its consumer release on July 29, 2015. Windows 10 introduces what Microsoft described as universal apps, expanding on Metro-style apps. These apps can be designed to run across multiple Microsoft product families with nearly identical code, including PCs, tablets, smartphones, embedded systems, Xbox One, Surface Hub, and Windows Holographic. The Windows user interface was revised to handle transitions between a mouse-oriented interface and a touchscreen optimized interface based on available input devices, particularly on 2-inch-1 PCs. Both interfaces include an updated Start menu which incorporates elements of Windows 7's traditional Start menu with the tiles of Windows 8. The first release of Windows 10 also introduces a virtual desktop system, a window and desktop management feature called Task View, the Microsoft Edge web browser, support for fingerprint and face recognition login, new security features for enterprise environments, and DirectX 12 and WDDM 2.0 to improve the operating system's graphics capabilities for games. Windows 10 received mostly positive reviews upon its original release in July 2015. Critics praised Microsoft's decision to downplay user interface mechanics introduced by Windows 8, including the full-screen apps and start screen, in non-touch environments to provide a desktop-oriented interface in line with previous versions of Windows. Although Windows 10's touch-oriented user interface mode was panned for containing regressions upon the touch-oriented interface of Windows 8. Critics also praised the improvements to Windows 10's bundled software over 8.1, Xbox Live integration, as well as the functionality and capabilities of Cortana Personal Assistant and the replacement of Internet Explorer with Microsoft Edge. Microsoft described Windows 10 as an operating system as a service that would receive ongoing updates to its features and functionality, augmented with the ability for enterprise environments to receive non-critical updates at a slower pace, or use long-term support milestones that will only receive critical updates, such as security patches, over their 5-year lifespan of mainstream support. Terry Myerson, Executive Vice President of Microsoft's Windows and Devices Group, argued that the goal of this model was to reduce fragmentation across the Windows platform, as Microsoft aimed to have Windows 10 installed on at least 1 billion devices in the 2 to 3 years following its release.